National Broadband Mission comes under the inclusive growth. The Union government has recently announced National Broadband Mission, which will provide broadband access to all villages by 2022 or 2022. The mission will enable fast-track growth of the digital communication infrastructure in the country. About the National Broadband Mission (NBM), the vision of the mission is to fast-track the growth of digital communication infrastructure, bridge the digital divide, facilitate digital empowerment and inclusion, and provide affordable and universal access of a broadband for all. The objectives of the mission, which is structured with a strong emphasis on the three principles of universality, affordability, and equality, are broadband access to all villages by 2022, facilitate universal and equitable access to broadband services for across the country and especially in the rural and the remote areas, laying of incremental 30 lakhs route kilometers of optical fiber cable 30 lakh route kilometers of the optical fiber cable, and increase in tower density from 0.2 to 1 tower per thousands of population by 2024. Significantly improve the quality of services for mobile and internet. Develop innovative implementation models for right of way ROW, and to work with states for having consistent policies penetrating to expansion of digital infrastructure, including the ROW right of ways approvals required for laying of optical fiber cable. Develop a broadband readiness index BRI to measure the availability of the digital communication infrastructure and conducive policy ecosystem within a state. That is, broadband readiness index is a measurement index. Creation of a digital fiber map of the digital communication network and infrastructure, including the optical fiber cables and towers across the country. Investment from stakeholders of $100 billion, that is 7 lakh crores. $100 billion, 7 lakh crores, including 70,000 crore from Universal Service Obligation Fund, USOF, Universal Service Obligation Fund. Address policy and regulation changes required to accelerate the expansion and creation of digital infrastructure and services. Work with all stakeholders, including the concerned ministries, departments, agencies, Ministry of Finance, for enabling the investments for the mission.